Today I'm going to do an unboxing of a Netgear Arlo Baby Camera. Welcome to today's video. My name is Colton. If this is your first time here checking out this video or our channel, we ask that you subscribe. The reason for that is we produce project videos and review videos and showing you how easy it is to turn your house into a home. If you want to check out past unboxing videos, go ahead and click this link right here. We're excited about this baby monitor because Arlo recently said that they are now working with Google. This means I can give my Google Home commands such as, "Okay Google, show the baby monitor on my living room TV." So let's get started. There's nothing that fancy about this packaging of the Arlo Baby, but it is nice that it has a little cutout to show you what color of skin you're getting, and also it includes a green skin. Use the easy pull tab and expose two other boxes that you'll need to open. Pull the box that isn't displaying the Arlo Baby out, and you'll see that inside, these are the main components to make your Arlo Baby work. You have a quick start guide for your reference on how to set up the Arlo Baby, and some Arlo stickers and decals. You also find mounting hardware in case you want to mount your Arlo Baby to a wall, the actual mounting bracket that you'll secure your Arlo Baby to and then secure that to the wall, then a fairly long power cord and the actual power source that you plug into the wall. After you remove the neatly folded cardboard, you will see that underneath is another box. Once you take this box out of the other box, it feels like I'm talking about the Russian nesting dolls, you'll find that this is the box that houses the bonus green skin for your Arlo Baby. And believe me, I checked, there is nothing else in this box. Moving over to the actual Arlo Baby itself, you remove this other box from the main box, and you'll see that Netgear did a really good job at utilizing plastic in securing the Arlo Baby down while it's still packaged. Unbutton the plastic securing Arlo Baby down and slip that right out of its container, and you're ready to set this thing up. Thank you so much for checking out today's unboxing video. Be sure to keep an eye out for our project how-to video and review video of the Arlo Baby. And if you like what you just watched, go ahead and click this link to see more unboxing videos, and be sure to click this icon to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future project or review videos that we have coming up. Check out our Facebook and Instagram page, you can find right here. Be sure to give this video a like and share with your friends, and we'll see you next time.